So let's just, well, yes, this is my rug that I made with some fabric from Joann's. And first thing you need is this non-skid rug pad. It's a 5x8. I got it from Walmart for about $14 or $15. And so now I'm just laying out my skid rug, and this is going to help your fur or your fabric from sliding. If you have floors like mine, this is important. Now, I don't know if you necessarily need this if you have carpet. So I don't know. So if, let me know, because I want to do my bedroom too, which has carpet. But anyways, so you're going to lay it out how you want, because you don't want to slide. Oh, you need adhesive spray. Do not get this adhesive spray. I got it from the Dollar Tree, trying to be on a budget, and it did not work. Oh, that's my fur. Hey, girl. $51 at Joann's online coupon. They always give them out. Okay. Anyways, so here I'm going to lay my fur out on the skid. Now, I'm sure it's an easier way to do this. This is my first time doing this. I didn't really know what I was doing. So of course, take my video, tweak it, and do it how you feel is best for you. I'm just kind of giving you the basics, right? And these are the basics. So I'm spraying that cheap ass spray on the back of the fur and on the skid. They have adhesive spray at Walmart that's better. I didn't feel like paying for it, but you know what? You get what you pay for, okay? All right. So anyways, I'm spraying the adhesive on the back of the fur and on top of the skid. Like I said, I just wanted to get done. It was like midnight. And so if this is not the proper way, excuse me, okay? Do it how you think it should be done. I wish I had someone here to help me so they can kind of like hold it up for me as I sprayed, and we could have just, put it down together, but whatever. It got done. Okay. So anyways, now I'm just making sure that everything is flat and stuck together, kind of just tapping on it a little bit. And now I'm going to cut off the excess skid. Anyways, there was some left over at the top and at the bottom, so you're just gonna see me cut the top half, but I did on both ends cut off some of the extra skid. And this is what I had left over, so not a lot. So I used 2 yards of fabric, by the way. So I used 2 yards, and that wasn't bad at all. And now I'm just vacuuming, going upwards, just trying to get rid of the excess fur. So you see how it's kind of shedding. So I'm just making sure I get all that extra fur that's trying to come off or wants to come off. I'm getting all that up so that it doesn't continue shedding, looking all crazy and tacky. Like, girl, what is your rug shit? Look at that. See? Cheap. Invest in some good adhesive spray, okay? Do not get that spray from the Dollar Tree. I think that spray is for like arts and crafts, personally. But anyways, just go ahead and continue vacuuming to get all that extra fur out or fur off or whatever, like I'm doing here. Ooh, my legs are skinny. And that's that. And this is the outcome. I love it, you guys. It matches my couch perfectly. And I got the fur pillows from Burlington's, like $11.99 a piece, so that wasn't bad at all. So I just moved in, so I'll be decorating soon, get my table and my chairs and mirrors and pictures and all that good stuff. But I got what I wanted. This saved me at least $150. So yeah, on a budget. We cute on a budget around here, so go ahead and do it. Let me know how it worked. All right.